Welcome to our guide on how to add your city to your Facebook page. Let's walk through the steps to help you update your page with this essential information. To begin, open the Facebook app and log in to your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines, to access the main menu options. Scroll down within the menu and tap on Pages to view the list of pages associated with your account. Next, switch to the specific page you want to edit by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen and selecting the desired page. Once on your page, tap the profile picture to access the page settings. Then, tap the edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and next to Details, tap on the Edit option. Select Add Your Address, followed by Add City. Enter the name of your city in the provided field, and tap Save to confirm the changes. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily add your city to your Facebook page, making it easier for visitors to locate and connect with your business or organization. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful in enhancing your page's information on Facebook. Get ready to provide your audience with valuable location details by adding your city to your Facebook page today.